Sanibonani guys, Umpumelelo decides to finally post his Makonda wakhe. Should I say Makonda wakhe? I guess not, but his first wife of choice, Ichichi like on Instagram. And he posted their picture and then he said, Amen. Unenkinga say your phone. I don't know if that's shade to Vuyokazi because he's basically saying anyone who has a problem, they're gonna call me. Because Vuyokazi, the last time when she found out about the issue, she didn't call, she just texted. And there was issues around like why didn't she call and ask instead of like just concluding. And then he goes on to say, Moko, makuyona lento ozoyiqonda ukuthi kwenzakalani. Asihlehleli sibheke phambili, uyoze uwuchithe. So, meaning that he's basically saying he's not going back, but he has always said that he's not going back with his decision. Forward he goes. And then he says, bayoze basho bathi bhuti enganeni. So I guess that's his new slogan these days. When he posts a picture, he's always like, bayoze basho bathi bhuti enganeni. Meaning that the people who, I guess normally people will be like, Mpumelelo is a kid and whatnot, but his father normally commends him for the decisions that he makes that it's not many men in inverted commas will do and make the decisions that Usbindi is making. So hence his slogan is that people will start calling him uncle, or people will start saying uncle to a child. Like to say that he might be a child in age, but he is making uncle and grown up moves. Look, guys, you know what? To be quite honest, I am in between regarding this whole matter. All right. I know Usbindi, his father normally says that don't allow a woman to walk over your head. Do what you need to do. I just don't know if I'm really believing this. I know he's on Izingani's Tembu, they've spoken about the first wife. I know they've, obviously he's posting her picture. I don't know, guys. Like, I don't know if it's like really, if it's really that Tumpomela is really gonna take this woman as his first wife, or is it just a publicity stunt to get people talking about the show? Because as I've mentioned, one thing about them, Siluks, they know how to keep people on their toes. They know how to keep us on our screens. So I'm just thinking, like, is this really it? Is he really gonna take this woman as his first wife? I also don't see Mpumelelo getting married like so young while busy kangaka. So I don't understand what's the rush of why he get married like so young, because his father didn't get married so young. I really don't know. Like I'm just curious to see as time develops, what's it gonna be? I just don't see the season ending with like Umpumelelo having sent his uncles to these women's home. I don't see that. I still see this something that is going to be spoken about for a while, just like in the Bada Wife number 5. So I don't know. I don't know. Maybe we'll see as it progresses. But another thing is that people on Instagram have been coming for this wife number 1. I don't know. I'm even afraid to call her Umam Cool because anything can change at any time. No one is safe at this point. Everyone just basically needs to play their cards really well to make sure that they are in this. And it's sad. It's sad. Like Vuyokazi was saying that how are you assessing your girlfriends? These are people, You can't say you're assessing them ingati like they animals, ongati like they angazi, like a set of cards. No, these are people's hearts you are playing with. And I guess Umpumelelo is just like, yes, it's people's hearts, but it's my game, it's my vision. So you guys need to dance to the tune of my music because you guys came in here knowing very well the type of music I play. So people have been saying Umaxele, which is the first girlfriend, man, not the first girlfriend, the one who's supposed to be the first wife. They're like, no, she's not pretty, and don't only. I'm just like, people are so mean. This girl, I find this girl very beautiful. If you notice, this girl doesn't use filters, you guys. She doesn't use filters. She's got a beautiful smile. And, like, low key, I really hope she wins our hearts. But then again, if she doesn't, because I know people are already divided, people have chosen their sides. And I'm just like, nope, I'm not choosing nobody's side because all of them, none of them in this are innocent, including Uvuyogazi. Uvuyogazi is not like Umatlelo Waga who got married to a man, and there was no woman in the picture. All these three girlfriends, Bagasbindi, they know very well. They knew very well. So I'm not gonna choose sides and feel sorry for any of them. They are young. They are young to be putting themselves in such a situation. Ngathi kukhala abafazi abadala. And then bona they wanna take I mm-mm, mm-mm. So anyway, also as well, when Usbindi posted this picture on Instagram, Utirelo, of course, went to go and when to go and comment today, and I'll put the comment here on screen as well. But she said something like, yes, wife wait, umshato. Like Uterel is behaving unbothered, guys. She's behaving unbothered, and I feel like the only reason she's behaving unbothered is to spite Uvuyogazi, because Vuyogazi behaved like Vuyu Mrs. Kante Nop. She's behaving as if she's unbothered, but I Quintenjalo, there's no way. There's no way. And someone said on the comment section, which is true, that Ulukuza Utevelo is going on as if she's unbothered on the social media streets. But is she not the one crying tears on the reality show? She is. So I think she's trying to behave as if, or trying to act as if she's fine with this whole thing, because Velayana, she didn't have on the which she's gonna be wife number one, but also her position her position has been downgraded, because from wife number two to wife number three, no one, even if you're wife number four, guys, no one will be comfortable with that. So I know very well that her heart is also aching, because this girl like came after her Naye and is being promoted to position number one. So I just think she's just acting like that because, or comforting herself that at least I am not Vuyegazi who thought I'm gonna be wife number one and then cheeky. But bonke bakhala bonke. And even this new girlfriend, and I'm just saying new girlfriend because she's new to us, she should not even celebrate because she did not win anything. She did not win anything. If anything, what I've noticed, being mamkulu means that you are expected to become the fool. That's one thing about being mamkulu. You are expected to become the fool because you're expected to accept anything your husband wants. And that's the thing people don't get. And I think no matter that's why wagamusa. That's why she doesn't even want to like talk about this ranking thing. Because she's seen Uguti like being mamkulu just basically means Uguti people wanna step on your head and then you must just agree to everything. That's the trap. That's where it is. And then they're like, no, but siyaknikeza indawo yakho, we respect you. But really, do they? Do they like, do we call it respect and people respect you just because they know that there's something that they're gonna get out of you, which is your agreement every time things need to be done? Hi, kuningi bandla. Kuningi. Anyway, please do make sure that you like the video. Please do subscribe. It is absolutely for free of charge, and I'll see you on the next one.